Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to our channel. If you're on the lookout for a fresh haircut or just want to update your style, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be diving into the world of stylish and trendy haircuts for women over 30. In this video, we'll explore different layered hairstyles that work for every face shape and hair type, from cascading layers to chic bobs and edgy pixies. We'll also touch on how to choose the perfect hair color to complement your unique features. So, stay tuned, this is going to be fun and full of inspiration. Layered haircuts are an excellent choice for women over 30, as they not only add volume and texture but also create a chic and modern look that can take years off your appearance. These versatile cuts work well on all hair types, whether you have thin, thick, straight, or wavy hair. There's a layered style that can suit your needs. Cascading layers, in particular, add a soft, flowing effect that brings movement and lightness to your hair, making you look refreshed and youthful. You can easily adapt layers to any hair length, be it long, medium, or short, making it a perfect choice for those who want a flexible yet stunning hairstyle. One of the most beloved haircuts for women over 30 is the timeless bob. This classic style has evolved over the years and remains a go-to for many because of its ability to highlight the face and add a touch of sophistication to any look. Whether you opt for a short bob, a mid-length version, or a long bob, each variation offers something unique. For instance, a bob with a voluminous crown can add height and structure, giving your hair that extra bounce and lift. This haircut suits nearly every face shape and hair type, making it an inclusive choice for anyone wanting a stylish, low-maintenance option. Adding asymmetrical or graduated cuts to your bob can further enhance its modern vibe, creating a look that's both fashionable and effortlessly chic. For those who prefer shorter styles, the pixie cut is a fantastic option. Known for its boldness and ease of maintenance, the pixie cut is perfect for busy women who still want to look polished and put together. It opens up your face, accentuating your cheekbones and jawline, and can be styled in countless ways, from sleek and smooth to tousled and textured, adding an element of fun and versatility. Pixie cuts can also be customized with different lengths on the top, sides, and back, allowing you to find the perfect balance that suits your personal style and comfort. And don't forget about color. Choosing the right shade can elevate your pixie cut, making it pop and adding an extra layer of confidence to your overall look. Another trending haircut is the shag, which brings a bit of rock and roll flair to your everyday style. Shags are typically layered and choppy, creating a lived-in, carefree look that's perfect for women who want a little edge. The shag cut works particularly well on medium-length hair and can be paired with bangs for an added touch of personality. Curtain bangs, in particular, have made a huge comeback and can soften your face, draw attention to your eyes, and blend seamlessly with the rest of your layers. This style is great for women who enjoy a bit of movement and texture in their hair without sacrificing length. Hair color plays a significant role in how your haircut appears and can dramatically change your overall vibe. As we age, our skin tone can subtly shift, and finding the right hair color that complements your complexion is key. Don't be afraid to play around with highlights, lowlights, or balayage techniques to add dimension and bring your hair to life. It's also important to remember that hair care becomes increasingly crucial as we get older. Maintaining the health of your hair with nourishing treatments, such as hydrating masks, oils, and heat protectants, can keep your locks looking vibrant and strong. The more attention you give to your hair care routine, the easier it becomes to manage and style your hair, no matter what cut you choose. Regular trims to remove split ends and maintain shape, along with the occasional deep conditioning session, can make a world of difference in how your hair feels and looks every day. Moreover, there's no limit to how creative you can get with hairstyles as you embrace your 30 seconds and beyond. From textured waves to sleek, straight looks, and everything in between, there's a world of options waiting for you. Updos, half-up styles, and playful braids can all add variety to your daily look, making sure you never get bored of your hair. Accessories like headbands, hairpins, and scrunchies are also making a comeback, giving you even more ways to express your personality through your hairstyle. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. We hope this video has been helpful and inspiring, giving you some fresh ideas for your next haircut. Remember, your hair is an extension of your personality, and finding a style that makes you feel good is what truly matters. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which haircut you liked the most or what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback means the world to us. Until next time, love yourself, take care of your beautiful hair, and always shine bright.